All of you doing great. There is a big news happening out there. USDC, you might have heard of the stable coin, and it is depegging. It has come to the value below 90 cents, hovering around 88 cents. It is a big news. I distinctly remember that there was a point when the Tether was having this FUD attack, right? The Tether is a USDT coin. When it was said that Tether is going to be destabilized, then a lot of people were actually buying the USDC, because USDC was considered, okay, this is the safest asset, and right now this is depegging. What is going to happen? What will be the impact of it? It is worth discussing right now. Number one, like for the people who do not know, what is a stable coin? A stable coin is basically, how does it derive the value? Issued by a certain authority, and let's say the USDC had a $43 billion market cap. Now, how does this $43 billion market cap values assigned? The value is only assigned when there is an equal amount of fiat value backed somewhere. That means they are issuing $43 billion of USDC. Then the reason for that is that they claim that there is a $43 billion of equivalent US dollars kept somewhere, which is backing one-to-one mapping is happening. Now, with that thing, now you will be able to understand why the depegging is happening. There is a big bank, Silicon Valley Bank, which is having a big crisis, and the Circle is the firm which actually deals with the USDC, and they have confirmed that $3.3 billion of its reserves are stuck at Silicon Valley Bank. The moment the news struck, like yesterday, the moment the news came out, obviously what will happen? The investors will know, okay, there is no backing. One-to-one backing has been disturbed because Silicon Valley Bank is failing. That means the USDC token now is in the problem, and that's when the mass sell-off started. People are actually buying the Bitcoin, some are selling the USDC for the USDT. Now, the most important impact for the entire crypto market for this is the trust factor. A lot of people do buy the stablecoin because they just want to remain out of the market for a while, to not deal with the volatility. But if something like this is happening, the BUSD was sold by the SEC a few days back, we covered, right? The UST has already had the collapse last year with the Luna thing, and now the USDC. Like, what is the confidence it is going to build in the people to keep the USDT? Like everything, it breaks the confidence of the entire crypto market. But at the same time, I wanted to give you some other insights. People must be wondering what is going to happen if it starts going to zero. Now, here's the thing. It might not impact much the Bitcoin. Why? Because a lot of coins, like a lot of currency, might go in even purchasing the Bitcoin. That's why if you try to see the BTC and USDC correlation, like the BTC is pumping, a lot of people are buying with the respective USDC, the Bitcoin itself. The problem that happened with the UST and the Luna collapse, if you might be wondering, in that case, the Luna Foundation already had billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin. So when their UST and Luna was collapsing, they were trying to compensate it by selling their Bitcoin. When the mass sell-off of the Bitcoin was happening at that time, that's when we saw the major drawdown. And then the people wondering, like, what happened with the FTX collapse? With the FTX collapse, like, the entire exchange is falling down, right? Everything is being sold off. Everything is being liquidated. Like, obviously, there will be a mass sell-off within the market. So, not necessarily it is going to impact the entire market with the USDC collapse itself. The only thing it is going to collapse is the confidence amongst the people, and in the entire crypto markets, like the confidence. If this is how the cards can be shattered, like, people will be very cautious, or the institutions will be very cautious before like a big regulation comes, or some authority starts handling all of that. But at the same time, the other side of the story, the positive thing that may happen from here, the Silicon Valley Bank, the crisis is happening. But let me tell you guys, there was a proposal with one of the billionaire to Elon Musk that, hey, why don't you consider buying it and rescuing it out, like probably just purchasing it at this point. Elon Musk replied that I am open to the idea. So there could be a possibility Elon Musk coming out, hey, I'm buying the Silver Valley Bank. What is going to happen right after that? Right after that, everybody knows Elon Musk buying it. The funds and reserves are back again. Everybody's going to buy back the USDC, and like probably to make the quick profit, the repegging will be done. And in fact, it might be a good news for the crypto market. Or probably, let's say the Fed comes out and stops, like tries to rescue these banks, or probably the basis point, instead of 50 basis point, the next which is being expected, 25 basis point comes. So a lot of things might happen. At the same time, guys, I would want to know your opinion. What do you think? Is it a coordinated attack happening on the crypto? Because many things happen parallelly. The BUSD sued, that we said, SEC sued that. Then the KuCoin has been sued in New York, right? Then KuCoin exchange. Then Biden talks about like doubling the tax on the mining. Then like all these things happening parallelly. This one, the USDC or the Silicon Valley Bank collapsing, and the USDC collapsing along with that. So many things happening parallelly. But personally, I believe again, guys, that probably this is the buying opportunity. Like you might see another leg down, it will be a bigger opportunity, because I believe probably, yes, everybody is saying, hey, we are going to the doom, to the depression, but probably if you have missed the last pump, this could be again one of the opportunity back for all of you guys. So thanks a lot, guys, for tuning in to the video. Please comment down below. What do you feel about it? If you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure that you hit the subscribe button. This channel is everything about how do we grow the finances of our subscribers. I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye bye.